What are you making, Junie?
A necklace because you said that I'm almost done making it.
Oh, necklace for mommy.
Yes, because you said that I'm almost done making it.
Yeah, that's a beautiful necklace. That's the most beautiful necklace I ever seen.
Also, mommy. Also, mommy. First, you break all of these shapes, but do you know why I made them?
No.
Because next they're gonna break it, then Jonas is gonna break it.
Oh, so you set up a task for everyone.
Yes.
Okay. And you're making the necklace for mommy.
Yeah, that's what you said. Oh. This is so hard.
Necklace is so hard.
It's keep on turning. I got it.
You did it?
Yes.
Yay! That's the most beautiful necklace I ever saw. Go, Junior! Go, Junior! Junior is mixing it for mommy, right, Junior?
I was getting tired, but I can still do it.
You're getting tired, but you still can do it, right? Yes, do it. I'm so proud of you.
Mommy, are you going to use all of it or not?
Yes, I'm going to use all of it. And what Auntie Daniel is making?
I'm making crab cakes, vegan
Crab
style.
cakes.
So
Yay!
this is mashed
This is a crab
chickpeas
cake. Vegan style
and then
crab cakes.
jackfruit.
Wow.
Jackfruit as well.
Jackfruit and chickpeas. Mix, 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 Junior. Mix, Junior. So who is watching TV?
I was watching Kid Danger and then...
Oh yeah, the JD Craig. So, if you divide 9x plus 7 people at the river.
Auntie Daniel have a pool. It's so cool.
I'm done.
You're making this devil food. Oh my god. What a hyperbole. Come on, mix, 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 mix.
My rules.
My cake is in oven.
Yeah, is it like
Our chocolate cake is ready.
She knows your kid's danger. She knows who I am. She knows who the man cave is because you brought him down here. And we have to kill you. Good job.
And this is the end result. Amazing.
She can have a job.
What happened to you, Junior?
I'm fat now.
You're fat.
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat the sandwich now.
You eat so much that you become so fat.
Yeah, but hurry up now. I'm gonna eat the sandwich now.
Junior, you want to become fat?
Okay, I'm eating the sandwich. No, not that.
Junior, you want to become fat?
Like me?
I am.
Wait.
I am the sunshine.
So if you go in a swimming pool with this big belly, what will happen?
I'll drown.
It says Santa.
You will drown?
It says Santa on it. Santa.
No, as long as you know to swim, you won't drown.
Yep. And now I'm fat. Yep. But how would you go away? How what? I just ate the swim shorts.
This thing on the tree.
You can still wear the same swim shorts.
Wait, wait, I have a blue one. Jonas has the other one.
No, no, the poppy are gonna come out of there.
Yep, no. I don't
That's
know.
okay.
I asked God for a cute boy, and look what I got. Monkey.
Like, Jonas gonna take out the look.
No.
There you go. My hands are slippery. I'm gonna come back.
906 9116 876 906 9161 or 876 289 1418. Follow at Evergrow Garden on Facebook and Instagram. 136 now. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is inviting members of the public to attend the vaccination site today, Sunday, December 19th, to receive the first dose of the Sinopharm vaccine.
Mommy, are you videoing again?
Yes, sir.
And the second dose, Johnson & Johnson, for persons 18 years and older. Jamaicans 12 years and older
Wait, I'm coming
will
back.
also be offered only one allocation today, and that's from Sandals Inn. Sinopharm will be offered extra.
I was just saying you don't get it started, but I mean now we take people there.
Moving to Hannibal and Hannibal Court in Lucy Health Center, and there too the Sinopharm will be offered along with the AstraZeneca, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. In Westmoreland, they close at 2, starting on 10 this morning, and with in Savannah Health Center. Sinopharm will be offered along with the AstraZeneca, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Persons should take their vaccination card, a government issued ID, or letter from the Justice of the Peace to the Senate. So let's get vaccinated and get back.
Okay, Mommy, you know why I'm keeping you over here? Because you know, so there's 3 more left, and I'm making them space.
In the air, extreme chemical
Come on!
make all kinds of different changes.
Where's the scissors? Photo?
Wait, I found all blue scissors. I could use them.
Yeah, give me the... Fine. Both of us have one.
Dinner. Then give me dinner. Blue or orange?
Then give me.